Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Grange Primary School's Virtual Sports Day. This means that today you're going to be doing no online learning, and you are just going to be doing sports activities. Yes! Now, I sent you an email with that list of activities, so hopefully you have picked your activities. If you haven't yet, don't worry, send us an email and I'll send them to you. And you're going to do them, and then you're going to hopefully get your friends and family to donate money to you, which you're then going to give to the school, who will buy new English books for us to read. Yes! Excellent. If you want to, you can record yourself, you can take pictures, send emails, whatever you want. Have a fantastic day, guys. I'm going to do some myself. I might even post a video of me doing it, and I've also raised some money, which will be fantastic. Have a great day, guys, and make sure you send everything to year5@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Goodbye.